If you want to record your screen and live stream, OBS Studio might be the best solution for you. It's free and open source software available for Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and for Windows 10, macOS 10.13 Plus, and for Linux. For Mac and Windows, there is standard installer. You can just download them and install. For Linux, if you go for Linux, there is an installation guide. There is official distribution for Ubuntu and Mint, and you can install with the terminal. After you have installed it, there comes up auto configuration wizard. If your main goal is streaming, then choose streaming. I'm going to use OBS Studio for just recording my screen and creating helpful and useful videos. I will choose optimize just for recording and click next. There is base resolution. My screen is in HD resolution. If your system has a better performance, then choose 60 FPS. Otherwise, click either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when available. It may be better for you. I will choose it and click next. It shows my settings. According to my system, it chooses 30 FPS and I will apply that. So this is the interface of OBS Studio. There is first unit is a scene. There is a default scene. You can add or delete them. I will add a source for scene. One scene can include many sources. So I want to add my screen. I choose screen capture. There is a bunch of different options starting from audio, browsers, images, texts. You can also choose scene into scene. I will choose screen capture and name it. Make sure that make source visible box is checked and click OK. It shows my default screen. Check capture cursor if you want to show your cursor, or uncheck it and it will not capture your cursor. I want to check it. Also, you can crop the screen and choose the exact area that you want. Okay, I have added my screen. I will scale it up. This is my default screen and I can block it, so I can't move it now. If you unblock it, you can move it as you want. So block. I want to add a new scene, so I will duplicate my first scene and let's call it scene with an image. Click OK. I have now two scenes. For my second scene, I want to add an image. Call as logo. Always while adding sources, make sure that make source visible box is checked. Click OK and I'm going to choose an image. Okay, I want to include this image and scale it and put it on the right corner. Okay, you can reorder the sources. The first will appear in front. If I move up the logo, it appears, and when I move it down, it disappears because of the ordering. I will show you the audio mixer. It records my mic. The desktop audio records system sounds. Leave it as default, then it will record your system sounds. You can adjust the sound of mic or mute it. Go to properties to choose the device. Choose the microphone that you want and click OK. Scene transitions. If you are using only one scene, you don't need scene transitions. Otherwise, you can add. And now we can see that when I increase the duration of the transition, we can see that it's much smoother. On the right side, there is controls. There's different options. Start streaming. For streaming, you can click start streaming, and to start streaming you must add stream key. Start recording. To record your screen, studio mode is useful when you are going to add a new element to your screen. The left side is preview bar and the right side is seeing while going live. Change or add a new element to left side and click transition and it will change to your viewers. Exit is self-explanatory and going to settings. There's a wide range of languages. I'll choose English. There's different themes. I prefer the dark theme. You can select automatically record when streaming box to record your streaming process if you have a good system performance. Other settings you can leave as a default. For streaming, there's a different services as Twitch, YouTube, Facebook. You can choose a server nearest to you or leave as an auto, then it will select according to your location. Then the stream key. You need to get a stream key according to your service that you want to stream. For an output, you can change recording path. For recording quality, choose high quality and recording format. If you choose an MP4, there will be a warning. It may be better to choose FLV format because when OBS Studio crashes, it will save the video recorded already. When you choose MP4 format, the video will be unrecoverable if your system crashes. So I will choose FLV. For audio, there you can choose for desktop audio different sources. I will leave as a default. You can choose your mic also. For video settings, you can choose your bass, your output. You can set different hotkeys for just every action. To start recording, for example, I will choose F12. For stopping, escape. Click apply. Rate this video. I think it was helpful for you. So check out my video about top 5 free screen recorders to see what fits exactly your needs, because if you are using Nvidia or AMD graphics, it may be better to use their software. Thanks for watching and see you next time.